In this video, I'm going to share a different way about optimizing Amazon advertising, which is starting with your main image. Okay, so I'm going to explain how you can do that. And instead of you, I mean, 99% of the people, what they do is whenever they want to increase their sales and their Amazon advertising sales, they just increase the bids, or they change the placement modifiers percentage, or they change the bid from down only to up and down or whatever. And that's not correct. You should start look it as the funnel. Okay, so you should start to see, okay, if I'm already showing up for the keywords that are relevant for my product, what can I do in order to increase the number of clicks that I get? And with more clicks that you get from your Amazon advertising, Amazon will also show you to more people, because they make money when someone clicks on the ad, right? And when you have more people showing, clicking to your product, you will also increase your sales, because you have more people uh, in the whole funnel. Okay, assuming that you are showing the product to the right people. So you should be doing that alongside the search query performance that data, which I'm going to touch in a second. But I just wanted to share what things you can change in your main image, like today, in order to improve your click-through rate, and how you can use it to track it. Okay, so I mean, just sharing this example over here. So you can see this product. I just picked up this product, like it's a collagen peptide gummies, and you see a lot of products selling similar things, but you see how different people are interacting with their main image to influence the click-through rate. So see, this brand is doing, I think 7 out of 10. I mean, 8 or 7. I would give them. They are doing a good job already. But just some key points. Okay, so when you want to influence the main image, you have the badge. Okay, so that's the thing. You have some sellers will have it, others don't. So I mean, always impacts a lot your click to rate, of course. You have the main image, the title, your ratings. I mean, if it's four and a half stars, if it's just 4 stars, if it's 3.5, of course makes a huge difference on your click rate. The price, of course, and then the coupon. Okay, like as you can see, definitely highlights. You see, like people that don't have a coupon and the ones that have it, definitely catches up the attention to the buyer to click more. And last, the just the delivery, the shipping speed that you have. Okay, because some brands, I mean, you see tomorrow, most brands you see tomorrow, but I mean, if you just don't have it for tomorrow, I mean, might be some uh, you might see some decrease in the click-through rate because of that. Okay, so these are kind of the main factors. I'm going to touch more deeply into the image itself, and just what other things you could add in order to improve it. Okay, so just some major key points. Okay, so one thing you should always have, and I mean, there is multiple ways you can try to influence this, is to have the main keyword, or the keyword you want to try to rank the best. Doesn't need to be the one with the most search volume. It just needs to be the one that you want to beat your competition. Okay, so in this case, you can see, I mean, I search for the keyword collagen peptide gummies. I mean, you can see this product. It seems to be like a collagen. It's very bold letters, but this one actually is doing a better job. It's just collagen gummies. I mean, this one seems to be more on the hydrolyzed. Seems to be where this product is going to wants to show up. But the hydrolyzed is just not as bold. It's just not as evident. I mean, not many people, as they scroll down, that they see it. Okay, so I would make it a lot bigger, if assuming that they want to rank better for the keyword hydrolyzed collagen gummies. So I would make it bolder. Okay, so that's one thing could be improved in the image. But I mean, just by them having anything, honestly, like any type of word there, it just make them a huge difference compared to the competition that sometimes don't even have it. I mean, as evident. Okay, so that's first thing you can change in your main image. Then there is this what it we can call it high candy, just these guys, they basically saying very well that this is a strawberry. So like before me clicking on the image, I know if I like a strawberry flavor. I mean, if I like a chocolate flavor or vanilla, whatever, I know right away. Okay, so like what's the flavor, and if I should click on that or not. Okay, so that's very good. And then another thing you can add is this. They have this one pack. I mean, I think, yeah, one pack. You can also have a size, number of servings. So if, for example, as you scroll down here, I mean, I see that the 60, you see, very little, very small, the 60. If it's something, it's a differentiator in terms of in terms of size. I mean, you definitely should give that in, put that in the main image. Okay, so for example, this one I can see it's a 2 pack, whereas this guy is just saying it's a 1 pack. Basically, for the same, actually lower price, 25, 28, these guys are offering two 60 servings. So you just get more value for your money. So I think it's just a way, if you have that differentiation in your product, you should tell it as well. Another thing you can do, I mean, they are not doing here, but I mean, they are just going to show some other examples where uh, on like how you can do it. You could put, for example, in your label, you can just put like if your target audience in this case is a woman, just, I mean, if it's an older woman, younger woman, you can add it. I mean, in this case, you have for it's a dog teeth cleaning powder, you can definitely put like the type of in this case, this is for this type of dogs. This one seems to be for like other type of dogs, like puppies or something. And that way you just make you just highlight who is your target audience very easily. And another thing you can add is just like like a badge that's just made in the US. I mean, a lot of people like that to be a differentiator. See, made in the US, made in the US. And lastly, another thing you can add on is just some major differentiation. Like if it's sugar free, I think what they are doing in this case is just 1,500 milligrams. You will need to find out what's the major differentiator you want to share for your brand. I mean, could be that it could be I don't know, like the high potency. For example, if you're selling supplements, could be like a certain amount of grams of protein or something similar with what they are doing here, like sharing that. So I mean, I think they are doing a great job. Definitely, I will just change the main the main keyword and maybe add some target audience there just to catch up more clicks. But definitely, they are making a great job. And whenever you come up with a new image, what you can do is you take this new image, instead of you just changing right away, and I mean risking dropping your click to rate because the new image might not be the right one. You can add it to the manage experiments on Amazon, and that way you can be tracking also how your click-through rate goes week by week for your product, by dividing and making this checking your percentage, and track your organic ranking as well. See if it is improving over time for that keyword that you have optimized the main keyword. And yeah, see how you can your PPC efficiency keeps improving over time. So that's that. I mean, I just wanted to finish just a brand that is very, very creative with their main images, Zulai Kitchen. I mean, you can. I have made here lots of points, what things you can do in order to improve your main image. But these guys, I mean, they just go to the next level. I mean, you can they have packaging. You see, it's could be done as a gift. They have a lifetime warranty. I can see right away. Lots of colors that they are offering. They say they have, they just get as much information as possible in their listing. So that's something you can check out and yeah, make it as a kind of a benchmark for ideas. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this was a helpful video, and that next time you optimize your Amazon advertising, you start first, with your main image actually, instead of just changing all these stuff, and think Amazon as a funnel once and for all. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.